Hello, young explorers. Today we are diving into an exciting world, a world where your games learn your favorite moves, your apps can chat like a friend, and even your homework gets a helping hand from technology. Yes, we're talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. But while AI can be super cool, it's also important to use it wisely and safely. AI is like a robot brain that makes some of our favorite gadgets and websites smarter. But just like with any tool, there are good ways and not so good ways to use it. So, let's learn how to be responsible with AI. First up, always ask your parents or a trusted adult before you download a new app or game, especially if it uses AI. They can help check if it's safe and right for you.
Next, keep your personal information safe. AI is curious. It likes to learn about you to get better at helping you, but that doesn't mean sharing everything. Be cautious about what information you let your apps know. Speaking of help, while AI can assist with your homework, it's here to help you learn, not do all the work for you. Use AI as a study buddy, not a shortcut. This way, you truly understand and learn new things. And remember, it's important to spend time away from screens. Make sure to play outside, read books, and spend time with friends and family. Balancing screen time with other activities keeps your mind and body healthy. AI is an amazing adventure in technology, making things easier and more fun. But using it responsibly is key. Talk with your family about the best ways to use AI, respect your privacy, and enjoy the tech world safely. Be smart, be safe, have fun with AI. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring. Until next time.